Hello. Today what I want to do is I want to show you the outdoor slash survival kit that I carry in my wallet. So this here would be my EDC everyday carry gear. I'm going to start this by showing you my keys. If I'm out here in the forest, I have my keys with me unless I lose them. I put them in a zippered pocket usually and such, and make sure they're in a safe place so I don't lose them. But on my key ring I have a whistle for signaling, and I also have a flashlight. This flashlight works very well, and it's come in very handy for me just for around the house or out in the yard or even in the woods. So two items that I carry with me besides my wallet. So this here is my wallet, and I've gotten my outdoor slash survival EDC right in the back portion of my wallet back here. Right here I've got a tick removal tool. I've also got a striker for a ferro rod. I have a ferro rod on this side, and on this side I have another ferro rod. In the back I have a mirror. I also have a compass card. Shows me general direction. I've got a cutting tool and a magnifier. So this here gives me some gear that I can use out here, and it doesn't take up much more room than this. Also, the tick removal sits on top, and so does the striker. And then I have two ferro rods that go on each side. So it doesn't take up much room in my wallet, though it provides me with a lot I can do out here. So why I call this a outdoor slash survival kit that's in my wallet is because it gives me a broad range of things I can use this gear for. Now, many times I will have just a fishing rod in my car, and I'd be driving along and see a spot that I may like to fish. Well, I didn't prepare for that trip to go into the woods. Well, I have a security for myself in knowing that I have a few essentials on me in case something happened in that situation. I have fire, I have way to signal, I have light, also I have a cutting tool, and so on, right in my wallet. So that there on a fishing trip, if I want to just step off, if I want to be driving along and I see something off into the woods that I might want to go check out, same thing. I don't have my gear with me, but I still have my EDC gear that I carry all the time. So this here is the striker and the ferro rods. You can see I use them. Now, myself, I've been just all of a sudden decide I'm going to go make a fire and just watch it and enjoy the snapping and popping crackle of the fire as I think. You know, there's many times that I'll just go into the woods for time to be alone and such. I can make a fire and so on. But this works very well, and I've used it a lot. And it's just nice to know that I always have a way to start a fire. Now, I have a few friends that smoke, so they always have a way to light a cigarette, and that there gives them comfort because they have something to light a fire with as well. So that's one of their EDCs. I started carrying a tick removal key because they're starting to come in my area. Now I also carry another way to make fire, and that's that lens right there. Made many solar fires with this lens. Of course, that's dependent on sun. Now I also have a mirror, which is good for signaling, but it's also mostly meant for medical, if I have to see something and such. So a good carry. It's a metal mirror. And also I have this here for compass direction. It works with the sun as well. I take this here, I find the sun, and I have to know the time of day. I set that to the time of day, and the shadow goes across and it tells me my direction. Very cool piece of kit. Now that compass just gives general direction, which may be all I need to get out. Right in this area, I know if I head any way south, I'm going to hit the highway and I'll be fine. Now this here is a stainless steel knife, and it actually is a decent knife that I can use for carving. And that's what I wanted, is something that would actually work and be useful that I can carry in my wallet. Now you have to know your local laws to find out if you're allowed to have something like this in your wallet. My local laws, I'm not allowed to have anything that looks like something else. This does not look like a credit card in any way. So that there, you'll have to determine if it's legal in your area. So this here is just some ideas that may help others, that they may want to carry in a wallet or on their person. It covers my fire needs, signaling, and as well I can create tools and such to help with my stay out here if that happens, with the cutting tool and with fire. So it just gives me some options that I wouldn't have if I didn't have it in my wallet. So just wanted to share that with you, and just to let you know what I carry, just because it gives me a little bit mental security when I'm out here just for a few minutes, say casting a line or just walking in to expect something. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.